Good morning. I just changed the brake pads on a E51 Nissan elgrand V6 3.5 litre. Obviously that's the jacking point. Put the wheel under there. What you need for this is a 17mm spanner on the top. You open two little pistons inside. One thing I wanted to point out is the sizes. So that is the front, right? So it's 158mm, and the rears are a lot smaller, which are around about 105mm. Alright, don't make the mistake of thinking you can just buy them and put them on. Make sure you've got the right ones. Like I said, it's a 17mm spanner for the top of there, exactly the same for the rear, but where it's 17mm there is 14mm for the top. Okay, thank you very much.